Wow. That was delicious. Everyone wants to know how to avoid credit card debt, but they believe that a credit card is the only way to cook up a financial life. But today, we're throwing out the plastic and we're making a financial freedom pizza with no interest rates or debt traps. We're keeping it simple, fresh, and completely interest-free. I'm May. I spent 13 years in corporate before achieving financial freedom. I've partnered with Freedom Debt Relief to help break down complex financial topics through baking. Let's get into it. Every great pizza starts with the crust. In our world, your debit card or reloadable prepaid card is your base. Now here's the rule. You can only bake a pizza as big as the flour that you have in this jar. If the jar is empty, the pizza stops growing. This ensures you never overextend your crust. You're using your money, which means no IOUs to the bank later. But what if you need a bigger pizza than you can afford all at once? That's where buy now, pay later comes in. It's like cutting your dough into 4 equal parts. You pay for 1 slice today and the rest over the next few weeks. It helps you manage a large payment without the yeast of a high interest credit card debt bloating the bill. Next, we add the sauce. Think of your sauce as a mobile wallet like Google Pay or Apple Pay. This is your security layer. It sits right on top of your base, which keeps your actual data protected. When you tap to pay, the merchant never sees the dough, only your sauce. Now for the cheese. The secured card. It looks and tastes like just a credit card, but it requires a deposit. The more cheese you put down on the deposit, the larger your limit becomes. It's the perfect way to build your kitchen's reputation, aka your credit, without the risk of burning the house down. For the toppings, we're talking peer-to-peer or P2P lending. This is where you skip the big corporate food chains and get a loan directly from home cooks like you. And finally, you might be curious about crypto. Like red pepper flakes, it's trendy, it's flashy, but be careful, it's also volatile. Too much heat and you'll burn your mouth before the pizza is even cooled. We're gonna cut the pizza. Wow, look at it steaming. All right, it's time to take a bite. Just enough of the red pepper flakes in here. Financial health isn't about how many cards are in your wallet. It's about using the right ingredients. Master your recipe and the freedom tastes way better. Comment below what you want me to make next. Well, I'm off to enjoy another slice.